Hello kids, today learn alphabet. Color pen name brown color, yellow color, red color, golden color, orange color, black color, green color, pink color, and sky blue color. A. A for ant. B. B for butterfly. C. C for cat. D. D for dress. E. E for egg. F. F for fruits. Z. Z for grape. H. H for habit. I. I for iron. J. J for jellyfish. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for new. O. O for oil. P. P for pineapple. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rat. S. S for sheep. T. T for tiger. U. U for uniform. V. V for village. W. W for window. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra.